In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your PayPal API credentials and add them to WooCommerce. We'll go through the full process from your PayPal business account all the way to your WordPress dashboard, so you can connect PayPal properly and make sure everything is entered in the right place. To begin, sign into your PayPal business account. Make sure you're using the business account connected to the store you want to set up, since the API credentials are specific to that account. Once you're logged in, look for the settings icon, which usually appears as a small gear near the top of the page, and click it. From there, open your account settings. Inside the account area, you'll need to find the section called API Access. Depending on the version of the PayPal interface you see, this may be located under Account Settings or Payment-Related Settings. Take your time here and look carefully because the layout can vary slightly. When you find API Access, open the option for MVP or SOAP API integration, which is sometimes labeled as Classic. This is the area where PayPal stores the credentials needed for certain WooCommerce connections. Next, click Manage API Credentials. If your credentials have not been created yet, choose the option to request an API signature. After that, PayPal will display the API username, the API password, and the API signature. Reveal each one if necessary, then copy them carefully. These credentials are sensitive, so avoid sharing them, storing them in public documents, or leaving them exposed on screen longer than necessary. Now switch over to your WordPress site and sign into your dashboard. Once you're inside WordPress, go to WooCommerce, then Settings, then Payments, and open the PayPal settings. In that section, you'll see fields for the API username, API password, and API signature. Paste each credential into its matching field. It's important to place every value in the correct box because even one mistake can prevent the payment connection from working properly. If possible, paste directly instead of typing manually to reduce the chance of errors. Once everything is filled in, save the settings. That final step applies the connection and stores your PayPal credentials in WooCommerce. After saving, make sure to keep those credentials private and secure since they provide access to your payment integration. And that's it. You've now found your PayPal API credentials and added them to WooCommerce correctly.